Hi and welcome to Alleviato. Here we help law firms manage their practice and make the most of technology. In this video, we give you the top 3 reasons small and medium-sized law firms change their practice management software. Now, keeping in mind, there's a lot of chatter about innovation, moving firms forward, competitiveness, and a tough legal landscape. You'll be very surprised at the top 3 reasons, so let's get straight into it. Number 3, instability and a poorly designed underlying platform. You may see this from time to time in older technologies, where they've tried to add on features into the future to stay competitive. The effect here is firms become frustrated with rigid systems that can't adapt and move with them as they move their business forward. And of course, there's the general day-to-day frustration with unstable systems or poorly designed interfaces. Users will commonly complain and beg management for a brand new system. Number 2, lack of proactive support. Support can come in many ways, from the software supplier, independent consultants, and your own internal staff. The primary instigator for change is the gap and confusion between what the software supplier supplies under their care agreement and what the law firm expects. It's that support gap and confusion over responsibility that drives the law firm into replacing their software. Inefficiency creeps in, the system becomes poorly managed to a point of frustration, and it's thrown out the door. So it's very important for law firms to talk to their software supplier to see exactly what's covered under their support agreement. Now that brings us to number 1, the most common reason small and medium-sized law firms change their practice management software. It's a new staff member recommending a change. Now I know this will be a surprise to many, but it is the most common reason. I'm sure you've seen this before. Someone with a strong voice comes into the firm, recommends a change for software that they've used before. Now there's some things to be wary of in this situation. It's unlikely that the needs of that person's previous firm exactly matches that of the needs of your firm. So it's important to do an independent review. Quite often, people aren't aware of the work that goes in behind the scenes to make a software application seem user-friendly and productive. So if at all possible, talk to that previous firm and understand the work that went involved to see if you can commit to doing the same level of work. So there it is, the top 3 most common reasons small and medium-sized law firms change their practice management software. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.